Hi, I'm Red. You're watching Power Garage. We're back on the budget build, D17. Today, I bought an intercooler and a piping kit off of eBay. They're pretty cheap. They're about $100 each. And then I bought an extra coupler for the turbo. This turbo I got from my friend. He bought a eBay turbo kit for his RSX, and this is what it came with. It's like a T3 with a 54 trim, I think, 54 millimeters, something like that. And then we ordered just a cast manifold for a D17. Pretty cheap, like 60 bucks. So I'm gonna put the turbo on, and then we're gonna get the piping. I just bought a universal kit. It's all 2.5 inch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mock up all the pipes, I'm gonna mark them, and I'm gonna have them cut. And then we're gonna take it to Chepe, and he's gonna weld all the pipes together. So hopefully, we'll only have 2 intercooler pipes. So less couplers, less movement. Maybe we'll put a couple brackets. I don't know. We're gonna make this super nice on a budget. So gotta pull this bumper off, pull off the header, and then we're gonna get started. Come on, Tim, come help me out. Alright, so I lowered the car down a little bit because these jack stands are all the way up. This is kind of where I want the intercooler to sit. There wasn't very much room for the bumper support, so I might just make something or cut the crap out of the original one. So we'll see how it goes. Or I mean, I could just use these holes and then just put a bracket all the way across. It's pretty level. So, but what I want to show you, come here. There's some tabs right here that come off. This one sticks out, and then this one sticks out right here. I want to try to get as tight a radius as I can, so I'm just gonna pound these until they're flat, so it's a little bit skinnier right here, and we'll be able to get that 180 through. Okay. Yeah, so the turbo's clocked a certain way. It's actually kind of upside down. So I'm just gonna loosen all these bolts and re-clock this thing. And then I'm just gonna kind of leave it loose so that I can play around with it a little bit. And I mean, right now we're just mocking things up. We're not installing this turbo today. Not even close. We still got a couple more parts we gotta order. We gotta get a wastegate, a blow-off valve. We gotta get these intercooler pipes welded. Yeah, so we're a little ways off, but I mean, we gotta do a little bit at a time. There was a China company that did offer a turbo kit. It was like, I think, $1,200, complete turbo kit for this car. But I don't know what happened. It's like $1,800 now, so I just think that's ridiculous. So we're just gonna do things custom. There's not a lot of aftermarket supports for this car, so screw it. Me and Tim are just gonna make it work. Do what we can with what we got. It's really not that difficult, honestly. There we go. Did I get them all?
Missing the bottom one.
Oh yeah, not this one. I got one more. There we go. Woo, it's tight still. There we go. Okay, so this. Man, this thing does not want to rotate. Yeah, later we're actually going to put a good turbo on this thing, but for now, we just want to make some boost. There we go.
Well, free is free, so.
Yeah. Okay. So this bad boy is going to go like this. So we need to
Spin it the other way.
Yeah. Because the feed line needs to be on the top and the return line needs to be on the bottom. There we go. Let me tighten this. Sometimes these turbos can be a little stubborn. Okay, it's actually pretty close to where it needs to be. Yeah, so, yeah, I don't really like this too much, but there we go.
That looks right.
Well, you can put a little bit of an angle, but not too much. So I'm just gonna do it like this for now. We can always mess with it when we actually bolt up the oil feed line, so that that thing don't get melted. Okay. I just wanted to get it close, at least the turbine housing. The compressor, we're just gonna move it around a little bit. Okay. Ooh, tight. Tight fit. Ooh.
What's in the way? The AC?
The core support. Let me. I'm gonna finesse this bad boy a little bit. Okay, well I'm gonna mess with this. Shouldn't take me too long. We got plenty of room, so yeah. Let's get this going, Tim. Okay, so I took this pipe, I cut it, I used another piece to get the radius we need, and then I took a straight piece and cut it. So one charge pipe is done. Yeah, we should be good for one. So we just got to build one more. Might have to finesse some of these brackets right here, like this bracket with the ground right here. It's kind of in the way, so I'm gonna have to trim, and I'm gonna have to make something different. Yeah, I don't know. I gotta figure something out. So yeah, we'll come back to this in a little bit after we get this pipe welded up. All right, so there's this bracket that goes on the ground wire, the clutch line, and for the stock intake. So I took it off, so now I have plenty of room to get under there, because otherwise it was just gonna hit the pipe. So I'm gonna run the clutch line right here, just gonna let it chill for now, and then I'll probably redo the clutch line later. Just run like a braided line from here all the way to the clutch slave. So now, see, I have plenty of room, I can run the intercooler pipe down here. So I got the bottom hose done. I have it all marked up. See here, Tim, look. I have it all marked, so gonna get that one welded up. So now we gotta work on the top one. So I think I'm gonna run it like this, and then just gotta mark it and start cutting it, and we'll see where we end up. All right, so we got all the pipes cut. I got them marked. We got 4 welds. Super easy. Boom, 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 boom. And then this one is gonna be like that. And then we're just gonna use like a 45 coupler. I'm gonna have to use another 45 right here to get everything lined up perfect. But yeah, we got a lot of pipes. Cut up what I needed. We got some extras, but you know what? We got the job done. I had no idea what I was gonna need until I actually started mocking it up. But I think we should be good. Plenty of room, everything runs real nice. I gotta trim one of these couplers, and then we gotta order 2 more. So we're gonna head over, get these welded, and then come back, see how they fit. So like and subscribe. We'll be back next time and put those intercooler pipes on, and I'll see you guys later.